Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video is a quick tip. I'm going to show you how to make your Galaxy S10 Plus into a Galaxy S10. No, we're not going to squish it like a beer can. It's not a magic trick. It's just some in the settings that I figured out today. Samsung decided this year not to give us a notch, but they gave us camera cutouts on the display. Look at it. Now, Samsung is a little bit embarrassed by it because all their wallpapers, you barely can see the cutouts. I'm going to show you a way now you can actually hide the cameras. The first thing you want to do is go into your settings, wherever you may have them at. You go into display. You want to find where it says full screen apps. In here, you can set up your full screen apps. You can do auto, you can turn it off if you don't want it full screen. But there's a new one up here. It says hide front cameras. If you turn that on, bam, what it does is it takes your beautiful 6.4 inch screen and squishes it down to a 6.1 inch screen, approximately, making this the Galaxy S10. Bam, just like that, magic trick is done. Now you have a Galaxy S10. Will you actually use this tip? I don't know, it's kind of cool, kind of hides the cameras, but you do get a big bezel. It brings you back to maybe 2015 or 16. But I want to show you what it does to like a YouTube video. And let me bring up one really quick. Alright, so if you stretch this out, you can see that normally you would have the cutouts there, but right now it actually doesn't. Could you watch videos like that knowing you had this big bezel? I don't know. I'm just presenting the video to you. If you want to use it, that's great. If you don't, you don't have to at all. That was just a little tip to hide the cameras on your Galaxy S10. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you learned something, also give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S10 Plus. Please don't forget to follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day now.